What up, Mafia? It's Germs5 here, and today we are playing Will You Press the Button? Yeah, I decided not to play any scary games or Red Dead Redemption, those types of games. And actually, I was inspired by a YouTuber just for fun. Yeah, I'm gonna put his YouTube channel in the link below. So yeah, man, if you're watching this, thank you. I love your videos, and thank you. Because of you, I want to try to play this game. All right, let's begin. The cure for cancer is discovered, but there's always a but. Is found during your autopsy after having died of cancer. I mean, this question is like, would you give up your life to save the world? I mean, I guess. Okay. You get one wish every day for the rest of your life, but for every wish you make, 100 people die, and your wishes can't counteract it. Well, I mean, what's the point of having wishes? Then I will not. All right. I win. 52. You can have any amount of wishes. Good. Others will find out, and the result will be bad. Now, again, what's the point of having these wishes if somebody's gonna die or something bad is gonna happen? Like, I mean, but this doesn't say that I can't stop this from from something happening bad. So yeah, I'm gonna press the button. Uh-huh. $100 appears on your bank account by mistake, but you have to spend every cent in 2 hours or you get arrested for theft. Again, what's the point of having that money? Yes, I will not, because believe me, I have to think. You can buy anything you want, yes, but only for our people. I mean, when are the good questions gonna come up? Like saying you can buy anything you want just for yourself. I mean, say if it's for my friends, family, yeah, sure, I'll buy something. You can have dinner with any historical figure, but you can catch an old-time disease from them, like I'm not gonna try to pronounce that, or smallpox. Smallpox, like chicken pox. Yeah, whatever. Um, then I will not. I don't want to get sick. The sexiest, most intelligent, funniest, greatest woman on the planet wants to marry you. Oh, whew. But you know what? I'm out. But she's your daughter. Like, come on, give me something good. I want something good. Like, goddamn, I would be jealous. Come on, man. Um, I mean, like, seriously, why? Why do you have to do this to me? All right. I mean, hell, I don't know. I don't know what to pick. I guess I will not, because that would be just weird. That would be weird. Really, people, you would date your own daughter. Like, come on, man, that's weird. You can live in the house of your dreams, but I don't even want to look at that. But I have to. You can't go outside. Well, I mean, well, that's the problem, you see, because I have a if I live with my dog, then I would only be able to let him out. I mean, no, that's not fun. No, I'm not gonna press that button because that's not fun. Like, how would I go out with my friends, you know? And wait, rip 50-50, but the people that pressed that button won. You spend 20 years of your life making a cure for cancer, but someone else takes credit for it. I mean, dude, that would get me so mad. But like, all right. I mean, it's cancer. Like you're like thinking about it logically, you will still be happy that you made a cure for cancer, because and it doesn't matter if somebody takes the credit for it. You know that you made that cure. You have 9 lives, but you are a cat. I'm all right with that. Hell yeah, I want to be an animal. I want to lay in bed, sleep whole day. You know how fun that would be? No school, no work, no nothing. Yeah, sure. You can sleep with the you can sleep with any 5 women you want for 10 hours straight. Okay. But you will die as 1 hour after it is over. Uh, guys, do I need my glasses on or what? I mean, what is this about death and like they're giving like really good things, but obviously not. All right, come on. If you're that desperate to sleep with a woman that you would die, I mean, a five-some is not that bad, but still, you will own the largest, most profitable company in the world, but you only get paid as much as a normal convenience store cashier. All right, I'm all right with that. Okay. Everyone becomes moral, but nobody can have children ever again. Oh, so now I'm a god. I mean, right, this is tricky now. Because if I had to choose, like, I don't understand people that choose immortality. Because do you know how sad your life would be? Like, losing your family, your friends, your pets, everything. It doesn't matter if a new Rockstar game came out, no, nothing. Like, you still need to have a social life, you know, or else you're just gonna be a loner sitting in the dark in the basement playing some video games. So I will not press that button. All computer viruses are destroyed, never to return. Yes, but you are still required by law to have an expensive security on your computer. All right, I'm alright with that. Sure. You have a perfect body, but everyone thinks you're hideous. People, mind your business. That's my body. Thank you very much. Really? You get the ability to learn any skill to a masterful degree instantly. All right. But you forget it after you use that skill, then you can never learn the same skill again. I mean, sure. All right. What is up with these? All right. I'm just gonna answer like 3 more, and yeah, basically that's it. You are the first human to meet aliens. They can and will answer any questions you hear about the universe, but you can remember it. Also, if you press the button, it already happened and nothing about your life would change. But if the aliens came back, they will remember you, and this might not be a good thing depending on how you acted the first time. Dude, this is too much information for me. You know, I have to lie down. Oh, God. Oh, dude. That gave me a heart attack, man. Um, I'm, I don't know. I'm not a nerd. Um, yes. All right. You became a god, but no one believes you. You become a god, and nobody believes in you. Well, I am a god, and I know myself, so obviously, bow to your god. I am your god, the sexy Anderson god, and you will bow down to me, human. No, I'm just joking. You get the ability to speak any language you want, but you have dyslexia. Um, I mean, I don't know. Yes. I don't know what to press. All right, last one. You have infinite knowledge, but you have to spend work weeks in preschool for eternity. I mean, I had to think about this. I can't use my brain normally, so I'm just gonna drink some Pepsi, see if it helps. And a toast for you to have a good life. And this is my dog. Hold on. Put it, teacher. Um, sis. So yeah, guys, this is my dog. Yeah, he's a German Shepherd. Like I call him Foodis. It's like a language. It's a name from my country. But like on YouTube, let's just call him Wolf. Yeah, a wolf. You want some? No, no, you can't drink any of that, boy. All right. No, don't you even think about like barking to that dog. All right. I mean preschool. Preschool was not that bad, but I can't say other classmates liked me in preschool because I was a bit of a bully back then. But I stopped. And but hell, I don't know. What do I pick? I guess I will not. Alright, I don't like that result. We're gonna answer another one. You survive a zombie apocalypse, but everyone you know and care about dies. I will not. Okay. Okay. Damn, I really want to answer this question. You live in your Minecraft world forever, but a creeper will eternally follow you everywhere. Well, now thinking outside the box, I can have a creep. I can build a dirt house for that creeper, and kaboom, I'm safe. Ain't no creeper blowing me up. I ain't dying. So I will. I mean, come on, guys. Like, really? Or maybe if they have that spawn thing with wolves that, you walk away and they spawn right beside you, then yeah, that is a problem. Okay, anyhow, thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the like, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and if we get 5 likes on this video, I will make another video like this. So yeah, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.